Hello to all. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss chemistry of cold drink and its effect. Chemistry of cold drink and its effect. Cold drinks like Pepsi, Miranda, Fanta, Sprite, etc. are majorly composed of alcohol, carbohydrates, carbon dioxide, phosphate ions, sodium benzoate, sulfame potassium, and caffeine. These ingredients are responsible for the feeling of warmth, lightness, and tangy taste which is liked by everyone. When the gaseous CO2 means carbon dioxide gas, when the gaseous carbon dioxide gas mixes with water, it undergoes a chemical reaction to produce aqueous carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. Means simple reaction is there. H2O means water plus CO2 carbon dioxide gas. It gives H2CO3. This is called carbonic acid. It is the carbonic acid that imparts the acidic flavor and a sweet sensation in mouth. Studies have been shown that colder temperature can enhance the perception of sweetness and reduce the intensity of bitterness. Therefore, when we consume cold drink, it often tastes more refreshing and pleasurable compared to the same beverage served at room temperature. Cold drink bottles contain CO2, means carbon dioxide gas, which is kept at above atmospheric pressure, means high pressure. So the solubility of carbon dioxide in an unopened cold drink bottle is very high. When the cold drink bottle is opened, dissolved carbon dioxide escapes into atmosphere. Bubbles of CO2 are what makes taste fizzy. Due to this carbon dioxide, bubbles of CO2 means carbon dioxides are what makes your drink fizzy. The idea of carbonation is not new. Beer has been around nearly as long as humans have, and this process produces carbon dioxide that gives beer its foamy head. However, this process was not applied to non-brewed drinks until the 18th century. What happens here, that idea of cold drink, it is not new. The idea of carbonation means formation of carbon dioxide H2CO3 from carbon dioxide gas. H2O plus CO2, it forms H2CO3 carbonic acid. That is called, actually this process is called carbonation. The idea of carbonation is not new. Beer has been around nearly as long as humans have, and this process produces CO2 that gives beer its foamy head. However, this process was not applied to non-brewed drinks until the 18th century. English chemist Joseph Priestley, the discoverer of oxygen gas, connected a bottle of water to a kg brewing beer and noticed that some of the gases are forming. Some of the gases produced by the process dissolved into the water and was released when he opened the bottle. Means very simple way that Priestley, he was the discoverer of oxygen, that he connected a bottle of beverage and this in that water was added, beverage plus water. He connected a bottle of water to a kg of 1 kg of brewing beer and noticed that some of the gas produced by the process dissolved into the water and was released when he opened the bottle. Means carbon dioxide came out. Simply that beverage plus water that was mixed, carbon dioxide gas was produced and that gas released. This he observed. CO2 had not, actually that time, very very important, CO2 means carbon dioxide gas had not been identified at that time. Nobody was knowing what is the CO2. Then he just simply he called it as a fixed air, because in air carbon dioxide is there. Then CO2 had not been identified at that time, so he called it fixed air. He announced his discovery. He suggested that water fixed air means about the CO2. He wanted to tell about the CO2, fixed air. Then just he announced that his discovery, what he observed, that carbon dioxide is coming when water is mixed with this brewing beer. Okay, from the brewing beer, when it mixed with water, then gas is produced. That was first time it happened. Then he was very happy. He announced his discovery. He suggested that water fixed air did not go sour like other water, and that it might have medicinal uses. Only he suggested that water fixed air did not go sour like other water, and that it might have medicinal uses. He later described it as his happiest invention. Now, this I have told you how actually it is formed, and from this discoverer also. Now here that effect you can see. Effect. Soft drink has actually now I am telling you bad effect. Soft drinks has far more serious health issues, are turned into many types of diseases such as obesity, diabetics, body weight, heart disease, stomach problem, cancer, liver damage, infertility, bone health, teeth disorder among children and aged person. These are the negative points. Soft drinks has far more serious health issues, are turned into many types of diseases such as obesity, diabetic, body weight, heart disease, stomach problem, cancer, liver damage, infertility, bone health, teeth disorders among children and aged person. Now, why people are drinking it, that also I am telling you, that is the benefit. Cold beverage can help lower your body temperature, which can reduce fatigue and increase your endurance. It also helps in digestion. Drinking cold drink can also aid in digestion. In this cold drink, actually sodium bicarbonate also releases sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, what we are telling baking soda, which we are using in kitchen. Then this baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, when it will dissolve in water, then it will form NOH plus H2CO3. That is H2CO3 is carbonic acid. Okay. And NOH is of a basic nature, base. Then this H2CO3, again it breaks into H2O plus CO2. Correct? Then this also, due to the baking soda also, it helps in digestion. Our food will digest. But side effect I have discussed, that is more than benefit. Thank you. I am stopping only here.